to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
I don't know what year it is. It's probably about a 83, somewhere along there. Probably I don't know. But y'all, we done made it up Eugene to Eugene's shop. Me and Raw.
What up, y'all? What up?
We checking out this Buick Chevy here, station wagon. Trying to figure out what year it is. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it. You don't see too many of these here. Got some 24s on it. Sundown, sunroof in the, I finna say sunroof, subwoofer in the back. Crunch out. I think a panoramic will look good in this here. I'll put two of them up in it. She pretty clean too. Unlock. I used to have a station wagon back when I was younger. It was a Plymouth, wasn't it? Plymouth? Reliant, a Plymouth Reliant. Yeah. It was this same color.
That was smaller than this one.
It used to beat though. I was beating the block down in it. Then we got this IROC Z here. Y'all probably done seen this before. And we got Impala SS over here on some 26 Cordian Fords. I don't know what he doing in this here. Then we got the Impala. Y'all done seen this on my channel before. 26s, money Fords. This Eugene Monte Carlo SS here. It's a race car. He LS swapping this El Camino. Like he doing the suspension on it now. Front and back. Yeah, Eugene, stay busy. Got it looking good up under there. And this, I think this Ford Mustang, the one I painted the roll cage in. Then we got another Monte Carlo SS here. Got some Forgiatos. They look like some 24s. Wheelwood brakes. I like this pearl on it. Got a sunroof in it. Yeah, it's clean. LS swap. But when I came up here to paint these wheels here for his Monte Carlo SS, see he got some front wheels. They came black, but these wheels here for the back, he wanted me to paint these black, so that's what I came up here to do. Me and Raw.
Man, that's a short rear end you got on.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he had to have it short for these big old wheels here.
Yeah, I know it. Way that thing is short. The wheels are under that car.
But once Eugene pull up, I guess I get him to walk around, tell us what he got going on for us to shop.
Y'all stay tuned, man. Well, look, we here with the LS King. Like I say, we about to get these wheels painted up for them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, y'all sure appreciate it too, man.
All right, look, y'all
got the El Camino about ready to crank up here too.
Yeah,
What's
okay.
in the El Camino? LS Motor?
LS 6.2.
Okay, y'all here. LS 6.2.
We'll put a 9-inch under that thing.
Yeah, I was telling him you done did the suspension on
all the
it.
way around, yeah.
You ain't playing no games with it.
I just got to wiring up the fans and stuff the other day. I just got to get the starter on it. I got a couple of loan some of these wires I got running on the bottom half. Just prepping.
Y'all
You
hear
at
that
the-
shop talk?
You at the finish line now with it?
Yeah, I see the light now.
Yeah.
I got a few little things. He ordered a new cooling box to go over there for the overflow tank.
Mm-hmm. He going with a cow hood.
Yeah.
What size is it?
2.5 inch
2.5
cow.
inch.
We gonna put an LSA on it the first of the year.
Okay.
He just wanna get his feet wet right
Yeah.
now and save his money to
Yeah.
tax time. He gonna get
That's the way to go.
You know,
Can't go broke.
putting the Dakota digital dash in it. That's
Yeah.
why I'm gonna pull the dash out, the cluster out. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice little piece right here.
Yeah, I was telling Ro, man, you got all the dream cars up here. For real. You got them all. 96 Impala. Don't.
Yeah, that thing clean too.
Yeah. It's clean. I like that. What you doing to the 96?
LS swap.
Oh.
This motor out of here going in it.
Oh, okay.
So
What's
I'm
in and
getting
out?
out
The
of
factory, the LT1.
Factory LT1. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no.
And you putting what you putting back in here?
LT4 supercharged motor.
Oh, you got it over here. Okay.
Yeah. I got the lid off of it now. It's getting the lid painted to match the car. T4 had a 19 model Vet. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
What it came out
supercharged.
19 model?
Corvette.
Okay.
Yeah.
That motor right there going in over here, you guys.
Yeah, I was telling Ro, these wheels here light, man. I went to Ro, I was like, man, these wheels light.
Oh, yeah, they is.
I know, but I
They don't
forgot.
weigh nothing.
They for the racing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Light as hell, man.
I'm just scuffing them up now with the maroon Scotch Brite.
Yeah, so you can get stick.
Yeah. Taking everybody along with me. Getting some footage on it.
Yeah. You see how he put some black wheels on the front? Them 18.
Yeah.
18 front run on the front.
Mm-hmm.
Hit with the Scotch Brite.
Yeah, I was telling them, the front came already black though, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Black. You see, we put them Grand National wheels on there, look like she floating on, she on water.
Oh yeah, that's what I was telling him. Oh, they look.
I'm gonna take it back out here and let dude cut the front K-mem out of it and
Yeah.
put me a tubular bar there so I can have some room to put my fittings in from a turbo oil drain back.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, shit, she'll be ready to fire up.
Okay.
I got the Holly wired up on her. She about ready.
Man, I never figured these wheels this light.
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah,
said.
them motherfuckers, you can pick them up. That's the tire are heavier than a wheel.
Yeah, that's what I'm tripping
The
on.
wheels are super light.
I bet them tires cost a pretty penny.
Yeah, them motherfuckers about $800. Two. They old.
They Mickey
drive
Thompson.
out too. I'm gonna put something else on them, some drag radials or something. Or sleek, depending on what I'm trying to do with it. When I go to race something.
All right, I'm gonna cut y'all back on once we start getting some paint going.
Okay, you guys. This raw custom now rating for SprayWay customers. As you can see, we have actually got the wheels Scotch brighted up. So now he masking them off, getting them ready for paint. He went with this plastic here. As you can see, he already laid the tape down in here. As you can see, he already laid the tape down around the rim. He did that in pieces so he can get it all the way around the rim together like it need to be. So now he cutting the center out, the plastic, because now he finna tape the plastic to the tape that he had right here.
You been watching that?
You would think I know you done trained me. So that's what he doing, you guys. So I just want to make sure y'all can see that. He wanted to show y'all this, so that's what we got. We'll cut you guys back on.
I decided to paint the wheels over here. Keep that overspray for the rest of the cars and stuff on the inside. I ain't too much falling down from the trees, so I should be good. I just hope it don't start raining because it kind of look like it want to rain out here, but that's what we got. I'll show you the paint. Here's all my paint supplies, my mask, gun, lacquer. That's some reducer, activator. Here's the paint. It's a single stage. Mix is 4:1:1. All right, let me mix it up. See what we got. There's a fly right over here.
Okay, you guys, as you can see, he's covering the outside of the wheel now. He got 3 coats on the inside. Now he got 3 coats on the outside. Then she'll be good to go. He already done this wheel over here, but he got to put some more coats on it, by the way.
All right, here's the results. We done brought them on the inside,
So I got to wait till I pass the first off.
but I think they turned out good. What y'all think? Y'all stay tuned.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stopped. Right from